Ego QV Flare-Up Cream 100 gm. Contains phenoxyethanol and hydroxybenzoate S. How to use. An emollient flare-up cream for topical relief of the symptoms of atopic eczema and dermatitis. Contains glycerol to help improve suppleness, decrease roughness, and barrier function. Flare-up cream suitable for sensitive skin and eczema. Dosage. Apply flare-up cream to affected areas 3 times daily, particularly after showering, bathing, and at night. Avoid soap as it may irritate sensitive skin. Caution and warnings. Avoid eyes. For external use only. If irritation occurs, wash affected area and discontinue use. Keep out of reach of children. If symptoms persist, consult your healthcare practitioner.